Here we have a Mk3 Honda CRV c-tdi, the 2.2 litre diesel. I'll show you how to replace the engine air filter. It's just these three clips here to put a new air filter in. Here's the part numbers for the new Bosch air filter. So it's a dead easy job. Unclip three clips, one at the front, one down the left and one down the right. Lift the airbox lid up, and then you can lift and pull out the old air filter. As you can see, it was quite dirty. It had been in there for about 25,000 miles, so it was due replacing. You can see how clean the new filter is, and that new filter just slides back in and slots back down into the bottom of the air filter box. Make sure it's seated nice and flat. It does have a seal around the edge, and then just clip the three clips back on. Make sure they're down nice and tight. And you can see that right hand clip, that front clip on the left hand clip. And that's it.